Here at Marriott Wahin, and this is our first day. We arrive at around 11:30 in the morning from Bangkok, and this time the sun is still up, and we're just going to see first the beach area. So how is it? What time is it?
3:25.
So 3:25. Then we'll come back na lang around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We go first to the chocolate factory.
Okay.
Okay, so look at the sand. Alam mo pa, the sand looks like Boracay. The same with Boracay. Okay. So, simple vlog lang. Walking along the beach muna tayo. Yeah. So the Sintara is around somewhere there. Yeah, doon sa may puno. More doon pa sa ano, yung may punong nyo, guys. I have a photo there way back 2022. And I'm going to. Yeah. So ang layo pala ng dati naming accommodation, Sintara. We've been here 3 times in Wahin. 2 times kaming nagstay sa Sintara Resorts and Spa. So, and this is our first time here in Marriott. Marriott Resorts and Spa, Wahin. So, first time lang namin magstay sa Marriott. And look, may mga kabayo. Pwede kang sumakay dyan habang binabaybay mo ang shore. So you can stay around. And I don't know how much. So maybe we can ask the guy how much per hour? 400 baht. Is it an hour or 30 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes for 400 baht. Okay. So maybe later. So that's all, guys. Simple lang. Simple lang tong video. Kasi may pupuntahan pa kami ni Nats na chocolate factory. But later, mamaya, pag mga around 5 o'clock, hindi na masyado kainitan. So maglalakad kami dun sa area na yan. Doon sa may punong nyug. Lumalapit ang Sintara and the beach. So just last month I was in Boracay, and this month October, last month is September, I was in Boracay, and this October, month of October, here in Wahin. So Wahin, Thailand. Okay, bye bye for now. See you again later. So out ko muna to. Bye. So the beach, Wahin, Thailand. Balik na ako sa Marriott, and then maglalakad lang kami papunta sa aming destinasyon. Okay, bye!